This is a 2010 Nissan Note, and I had a problem with the door opening sign even I closed all the door. The first thing you need to check is all of the door sensor, like this. Is the door sensor is working and closing properly or not? And check with the what was that, light scanner as well. Make sure the electric is all coming and moving or not. And the next thing is if the boots have a problem, here has a latch and actuator. You can open it and then check inside, reconnect, and or you can swap and have a look. Or the other thing is you can check this hinge of the boot. Just open this one and then pull each wire gently and check, make sure the is there or not broken wire. Yeah, an electric mechanic actually found with a professional scanner. Even the light is working on the side. If you open the sensor, there is one wire for the sensor, which is a blue one, and I just follow all of the way. You don't have to remove the chair, it's a bit hassle, the bolt. Yeah, and then there are heaps of wire as you see, and I just probably it was stuck somewhere, and that's why the electric mechanic say might it'll be the short circuit. Yeah, and then after I finish this job, when I close it, now it's working.